Let's start right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings gear icon. From the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you manage every tool that connects to your store. In the top right corner of this new page, you will see a big green button that says Shopify App Store. Click that button and you will be taken directly to the official app marketplace. The Shopify App Store search bar will appear at the top of the page immediately. Type the keyword Zendrop and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You will see the official Zendrop app appear as the first search result, which is typically identified by its distinctive blue package icon. Make sure the developer is verified as Zendrop to avoid any third-party imitators. Click on the app listing, and on the detail page, you will find a button labeled Install. Click that Install button, and a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the permissions. Review the access, then click the Final Install App button to authorize the connection to your store. The screen will automatically redirect you to the Zendrop onboarding flow inside your own Shopify environment. You do not need to leave the platform. You will be prompted to create a new Zendrop account using your email and a secure password, where you can simply log in if you already have an existing dropshipping account with them. Complete the short questionnaire about your business goals and preferences, as this helps the algorithm align the best products for your niche. Once you submit those answers, your Shopify store and Zendrop are fully synced. You can verify this by checking the main Zendrop dashboard that now lives inside your apps section. To begin product importing, navigate to the Find Products tab on the left-hand sidebar of the Zendrop interface. Browse through the trending product categories or use the search function to locate a specific item. Once you find a winning product you love, simply hover over the image and click the button that says Add to Import List. A sidecart will open, where you can customize the product title, description, and variants before pushing it to your store. When you are ready, click the green Import to Store button. The product, complete with optimized images and supplier information, will instantly appear in your Shopify catalog under the Products section, ready for you to set your retail price and start selling.